how journalist Nikhil Wagle's car was allegedly attacked by BJP workers while he was traveling to attend an event in Pune last evening. Now, video showed the car's windscreen and side panels getting damaged by BJP workers who mopped the vehicle and also threw ink on it. In fact, the BJP workers were protesting against Wagle for his remarks against Prime Minister Narendra Modi and LK Advani after the ruling party patriarch, was awarded the Bharat Ratna. Now, on the other hand, Rohit Pawar condemned the attack and stated it was allegedly done by BJP workers.
बघा हे गुंडागर्दी आहे. लोकशाही मार्गाने इथं जर एखादा कार्यक्रम होत असेल आणि तुम्ही गुंडांना पुढे करत असाल त्याचा निषेध आम्ही करतो. तुम्ही जर बघितलं तिथे काट्या दगडं घेऊन लोक आली होती आणि पोलीस कुणीही नव्हतं. जे 40-50 पोलीस होते ते लांबून फक्त तमाशा बघत होते. भाजपचे पदाधिकारी होतेच, पण त्याच्याच बरोबर हे जे पळपुटे काही पदाधिकारी आणि कार्यकर्ते जे राष्ट्रवादीतून दुसरीकडे गेलेले आहेत ते लोक सुद्धा तिथे होते. आणि सगळ्यात विचित्र गोष्ट म्हणजे की आदरणीय पवार साहेबांच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाली चालणारी जी पार्टी आहे राष्ट्रवादी आहे त्याच्या महिला कार्यकर्ता काही युवती पुढे जाऊन लढायला तयार होत्या. त्या महिलांना सुद्धा त्या पुरुषांनी मारलं. आज हे लाचार आहेत. पोटात लाथा मारल्या, डोक्यात मारलं. त्यामुळे हे जे काय भाजप बरोबर गेले नुकतेच 6 महिन्यापूर्वी आणि भाजपची सवय आणि विचार त्यांना लागले. महिलांना सुद्धा मारायला ते थांबत नाहीत. प्रशांत जगताप कुठे आहेत, रोहित पवार कुठे आहेत आणि इतर पदाधिकारी कुठे आहेत त्यांनाही आम्ही बघतो. अशा पद्धतीने वक्तव्य काय आम्हाला मारायचं मारा, आम्ही घाबरत नाही. आम्ही घाबरत असतो तर इथं आलोच नसतो. हे खरे वाघ आहेत आणि आम्ही लढायला तयार आहोत. लोकशाही वाचवण्यासाठी जे काय आम्हाला करायचं करा, पण तुम्ही महिलांना मारता हे तुम्हाला लाज वाटली पाहिजे. याच महिला येत्या काळामध्ये तुम्हाला तुमची जागा दाखवून देतील एवढंच इथं सांगतो.
My colleague Ankit joins me for the latest. Ankit, as far as this development is concerned, what do we know about this attack? And also, of course, politically speaking, being lashed out in terms of this scathing attack with the situation that's given in Maharashtra?
Yes, that's absolutely right. From sources, we came to know that there was an event. There is no permission for the event by Pune police. On that event, Nikhil Wagle and other leaders were present in that event. And before that also, police came to know that definitely there will be a situation in this area where the law and order can be might be disturbed, and that is the reason they have not allowed that event. And also, that is the reason they have also asked Nikhil Wagle not to come for the event, but definitely there was an event. It's a democracy, and that's the reason Nikhil Wagle came over there to attend the event. And while going towards the spot, there was an attack by the BJP Karyakartas, where you can clearly see in the visuals as well. The car was they completely demolished the car, but in that incident there is nothing happened, no injury reported to the Nikhil Wagle as well. But also the FIR has been registered against Nikhil Wagle in this case for the giving disrespectful statement towards Prime Minister Narendra Modi, for giving Bharat Ratna to Mr. LK Advani. I mean, that case, after the attack, Nikhil Wagle also had a word addressed the press conference where he clearly mentioned that we are not nobody stops us for speaking anything. It's a democracy, and we have all the right to speak in democracy. So that incident, right now we have to see if the Pune police is going to take action against those who did an attack on the car of Nikhil Wagle. That